Hi everybody, welcome back. It is that time again to open up the March subscription of FaceTory. If you are unfamiliar with FaceTory, it is a mask subscription service based out of California. The masks they curate are usually Korean beauty, Korean skincare brands. There are 3 types of FaceTory subscriptions that you can purchase. They actually just recently added one. For $34.95, which includes shipping within the US, you can get the FaceTory Lux Plus subscription. This is going to come to you with a lot of masks and a lot of little treats, like full-size skincare, sometimes headbands. It's different little things that they add. The Seven-Lux box is going to come to you in a box each month. That one is going to be $19.90 per month. That does include shipping within the US. And with that one, you're going to get 7 Lux masks and usually some type of bonus item as well. And the one that I'm going to be unbagging for you today, this is called the Forever Fresh Kit. This one is $8.90 per month, which also does include shipping within the US. And this one is going to contain 4 sheet masks. Down below in the description box, I will leave a link for you so that if you want to join in on FaceTory, you can do that. I highly recommend it. It's not an affiliate link, but without further ado, let's unbag it. So if you've been following, I've been had some issues going on, so I hadn't uploaded videos. So I actually haven't unbagged a FaceTory in a minute. Did not quit it because, like I said, this is one of my absolute favorite subscription services. So go ahead and open it up, and it says today that you are golden, and it's a postcard, so you can actually mail this to someone. That's just such a sweet little touch. So of course they always include our card. I'll give you kind of a brief description of each mask. It's so nice that they do that. And so our first mask here comes to us from FaceTory's own. They always kill me on packaging, guys. I'm such a sucker for adorable packaging, and this is adorable. This is the FaceTory Be Bright Be You Gold Foil Mask. Be the brightest version of yourself. To achieve a long-lasting glow, use our amazing gold foil mask. The special foil material prevents essence from evaporating to keep you glowing for days. Next up comes to us from Yada, and they always have such freaking adorable packaging too. Killing me. And this is the Yada Moisturizing Mask Pack. This Yada mask uses nourishing honey that softens dry skin and plumps up fine lines while treating irritation. Next up, I'm definitely seeing this golden theme going on here because look at the packaging on that. Is that not dynamite? This next one here is coming to us from Skin Planet. This is the Selection Prestige Gold Lifting Mask. Containing 0.5% of gold, this mask helps smooth and plump your skin for a flawless look under makeup or just sunscreen. And last but not least here, this one comes to us from Baroness, and I'm not sure that I've tried a Baroness product before. That name doesn't ring a bell with me like some of the other ones do, so this will be a first time trying out this company. This is the Calendula Flower Mask Sheet, and even though it just has this simple little flower, I still think it's freaking cute. Treat dry and inflamed skin with the Baroness Calendula Flower Mask. Botanical ingredients such as calendula flower help soothe and heal to bring your skin back to tip-top shape. And so that's everything that's included in this month's FaceTory. I'm so super stoked. I love everything that has this, kind of gold theme to it. I really love a gold mask, so I'm really excited to try this one. And I mean, honestly, I'm excited to try them all. I love to try them all. If you're ever curious of how they fit and look on the face, anytime I wear one, I do post it to Instagram. That link will be down there below if you want to follow me there so you can see how they fit well. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.